So today in this video I am going to show you how to make social media post for you. So without any wasting time, let's get started. Select the type tool, type any text you want. I will type Adidas slogan. Impossible is nothing. Then change the font. I will use Morganite bold font. Then adjust the font size and change the font color black to white. After that, going to layer panel, right click to font layer and convert to shape. Then select direct selection tool and select the bottom area of the text and drag the bottom side using hold shift like this. Add image at the top that you want. After that, going to FX button, select blending options and select drop shadow. Follow these settings. Then hit OK. Add some around more additional information like texture and font. Create a brand new layer. Brand new layer below the bottom side and select brush tool to creating a more realistic texture. Just tap like this and decrease the opacity around 9% and change the blending mode normal to dissolve. And this is the final result. I hope this social media post likes. Thank you so much for watching.